Hi, I'm Erin, and I've picked out some questions from our Wonderwall that I'm going to try to answer today. What is the biggest bird? Well, the biggest bird that is living today is the ostrich, but other birds like the albatross and the trumpeter swan have wingspans of over 10 feet. All right, one of our questions is, big dino roar? Yes, they do. What are the red berries that grow on bushes up in the mountains? There are so many red berries. Some of my favorite ones to find up in the mountains are gonna be raspberries, strawberries, there's kinnikinnick berries, you've got thimbleberries, grouseberries, so many red berries. Why is space cold? Well, space is huge. There's so much space there to have to heat up, and space doesn't have any air like here on Earth, so there's nothing to heat up.